Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from blanddelish.com and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp scampi with angel hair pasta. This is a super popular dish that takes about 15 minutes to make, so it's incredibly easy and everyone will love it. Trust me, this is the kind of pasta that you'll want to make over and over again. My mouth is watering, so let's make it already! Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook for no more than 1 minute, just until fragrant. Take out the shrimp from the fridge and add it to the skillet. Cook for about 2 minutes until it starts to turn pink. Flip the shrimp and sprinkle with chili flakes and sea salt. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until fully pink and opaque. Set aside on a plate. To the same skillet, add the lemon juice and zest. Pour in 5 cups of broth. Keep the remaining 1 cup on hand, as you might need it later on. Stir to combine, then bring the liquid to a gentle simmer. Add the pasta and using a pair of tongs, stir occasionally for a few minutes or until the pasta starts to bend and soften. Fully immerse the pasta into liquid and keep stirring frequently to avoid sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cook the pasta according to the time indicated on the package directions. Add some more stock if needed. Angel hair pasta needs no more than 3 minutes to cook to al dente. That's why I prefer it against other types of thicker spaghetti. It cooks fast into the flavorful liquid that transforms into a rich sauce in no time. Once the pasta is cooked to al dente, return the shrimp to the pan and turn the heat off. Stir in the Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley and mix until the cheese melts into the sauce. The pasta will continue to absorb the sauce if not served immediately, so quickly season with salt and pepper to your taste and have some. This pasta really has it all. It's rich, lemony, a bit spicy, and goes so well with the shrimp scampi. You've got to try it. Your taste buds can thank me later. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blanddelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!